Hello, welcome to today's daily message. If I were to title my reflections for this week, that title would be Moving Beyond. What I want to discuss this week are some ways in which we can grow and develop in the spiritual life. Many years ago, before my wife and I were married, we had a conversation as we were sitting on the hill at Florissant Valley Community College. We had been taking a walk and we just sat down on the hill. And I asked her what I thought was a pretty simple question. I said, "Terry, what are you good at?" And she gave me a kind of puzzled look and hesitated with her answer. And finally she said, "Well, I'm thrifty." And I said, "And there's not more than that?" And she said, "There's nothing I can think of." Well, as it turned out, there was a whole lot more to Terry than just thrift. Within a few years, she had completed a master's degree in management. She worked with senior citizens. She opened one retirement community and was the executive director of another one, a retirement community with over 500 residents. She became a college teacher at University of Missouri, St. Louis. She was a speaker for the Alzheimer's Association, and she was a tremendous advocate for senior citizens. So as it turns out, there was much more to her than what she realized back in the day. The same is true, I believe, of all of us. We all are more than what we are today. And so our challenge is to find that gift, that hidden gift, that gift that we either don't want to acknowledge or are not even sure that's there. Once we find it, then thank God for it, and then use it in the service of God's people. Thank you for watching, and have a great day today.